Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete an Instagram account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app right over here. Make sure from this home section you are in this profile icon at the bottom right corner. From this section, tap on the three horizontal line on top right corner, then tap on account center. Now you have to scroll and tap on this option of personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Choose your Instagram account. Now choose delete account from this section. Tap on continue. Then you can choose if you want to delete your thread as well. Tap on continue, which will delete it anyways. And just choose a reason for it. Tap on continue again. Tap on continue again, and if you want to download information you can, otherwise tap on continue as well. Now you will have to simply enter your password. Once you have entered your password, you can tap on continue and you will be able to delete your account permanently. Likewise, that's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.